Wall formation. That's 200 to 300 feet wide from left wing tip to right wing tip. They arrive at over 400 miles per hour. They pull up at 4G and collapse into 8 Arrow. The smoke comes off and they reach a height of about clear go as Reds 4 and 5 rolling out the outside in one of the hardest manoeuvres for new pilots each year to master. This is rollbacks. As I said earlier, there are 10 pilots on the red hours. However, the red hours is not just about pilot range. As the red and the blue come on, he bends round to right and makes the job even more difficult for those that 7 and 8 are now in Signet. Less effective. Conversely, as the aircraft start to descend, they now increase speed through 200, 300, back to that 400 miles per hour, where the controls are a lot more effective, making the pilots work even more harder as they come around to the left for the Apollo present. On the left of Red 1 is Red 3, Flight Lieutenant Tom Hansel. Tom is in his first year in the team. He's a former type. As I said, the second of our space-themed shapes. As the team rolls to left on the right-hand side of Red 1 is Red 2, Flight Lieutenant Rich Walker. Rich is in his first year on the team. He's an extremely experienced pilot, having flown operations on both the Harrier and the Typhoon, as well as being a qualified flying instructor on the Hawk T-Mark II.
I want to make a ringtone out of that noise. In the 60 days around D-Day, this
wave to the crowd. First of many 9G turns. Maximum reheat engaged. You saw the aircraft pitch up. 60-degree roll. See what I mean by the reheat now, and the noise coming from it into wing over. 500 knots in that maneuver. Rolls fully inverted before putting the nose steeply down to position back to the crowd line from a corkscrew. Now watch the canards at the front. Into a double corkscrew, and then rolling the aircraft out. Gives the illusion of that Typhoon is skidding through the sky. Get ready, ladies and gentlemen, as they come in for their last pass. They're going to give you a little wing wave, so please do wave back. They can see you. And in this unique environment, you can see the aircraft fully lit up with the LEDs, but also producing their own fireworks as well. Airborne Pyrotechnics are sponsored by Sydney Charles Aviation Insurance Services, and it's a father and son team. Tim Jews is the father, and he grew up flying on Duxford Airfield, and his son Tom is joining him as well tonight. Amazing display. Thank you both, gentlemen. And that, as I said, brings together the end of our flying display. So Ben and Tim, thank you very much, and we will see you again tomorrow at an earlier day. So don't forget, we have some hot air balloons activity going on in the main arena behind the commentary booth here. Head over there and look at some night glow activities. We hope you enjoyed today, the first flying part of our weekend here, flying at the Air Show International Festival of Flight. It's been my pleasure being your commentator, and I'll see you again tomorrow morning, and we'll do it all over again.